Kani ka challenge ya ka balapin mi da ka sorkar Meghalaya lapin wandur ban kersyan ya ki kamla jong ki bathemai bat ki berang sedang. Kalong kerensan ke ban ai jing rap jing hikai bat jing kersyan Lyng ba ka Primes Incubation Program ka bakhendai benai. Lada pide gi nong sang snong jong ka jella Meghalaya bala don lupa ya ki kam khai pateng ka ba phikwa ban kintio kani ka long ken kalat ya phi ki nyo pusan ngot ki ban sha jet kin yo ajing kersyan ki kam jong ki ha kerukom jong ki grants ha ka ba lai pusan ngot ki ban wan shakhmat kin yo arlak tingka bat ki saw pho ngot pat ki wei kin yo ka jing rap ka ba shilak tingka Nalor kata, pinyo ajing mentoy ru, da ka jing syahi kai markmat na ki riu shimet ki bala benanam. Kumno ban sandor ya kakam, bat ru kumno ban yo jing yarap ha ka liang kapisa, ka yo kahat, bat ki jaga trei ki badan hasilong batura. Kadei kapor ban pen urlongi ki jing pos niu, bat ban pen wandur ya kalawe jong pi.
Kapor jong pi kadei menta.
Kapor jong pi kadei menta.
Kapor jong pi kadei menta.
Hakabede bak Jingplie biang ya ke Surok akan motor, ubah pol Lyngdoh ulong bak Jingplie biang ya ke Surok, kanirap akaban Pynduna ke Jingkhapngiah ke Jingyat kali. Bak Jingplie ke Surok kam dan kadei bat karai ban pen kenria ke besyong basa akan motor. Ulong bak Jingshimrai ke sorkar kalong ban pet hakabede bak Jingkhapngiah ke Surok baniat kali. Bak Jingkhang ya ke Surok kalabu ke Jingye ke pat ba ke ni henru senam ke balalek. Ulong bak sorkar ke yang scam hakaban pen urlong ke Jingtemu ban pengeria ke besyong basa hakan ke jaka. Bak Jingplie ke Surok kam dan jingede bat karai halor kakam kabayade bat katam motor.
I think it was a practical decision in view of the traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent, for the past 6 years is that things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Them Iewmawlong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.